What it do, everybody? And we are here, back at the review block. And this may be the last review block. What it do? Hey, what it do, everybody? We are here, we are back at Kidult TV Studios. No longer the review block. So, here's the scoop on that. I will not be doing the review block anymore. I will still be having this channel. We will still be doing reviews, but more likely on other things, not just headphones, as I'm prone to do on this channel. But I will still be doing headphones once in a while when I find a good pair, a good interesting pair. But for the most part, I will be enjoying and I will be unboxing a lot of different things, ranging from toys to electronics to drones to just plain toys and collectibles, which you see I have plenty of here. So you'll be seeing new uploads here with a new name on the channel. I do appreciate everyone who's been subscribed so far, and I hope you guys stay with me for the future videos that we're about to upload here on Kidult TV. What it do? So the new name of the channel will be called Kidult Unboxings. We'll still be doing unboxings here, but it'll be a Kidult TV more base type thing. But let's get on to the next thing. We got it right here. What it do? Active noise canceling headphones that I found at Five Below. These are really interesting to me. I haven't bought any Five Below headphones in a long time, long time, because they haven't really been like that great or anything to talk about. Like nothing new and nothing great has come along. As technology furthers every 6 months, new stuff starts becoming cheaper, starts becoming better. Now we got active noise canceling from Five Below. Like what? So this is interesting. This is super interesting to me. Just a little disclosure though, these did not cost $5. These were actually a little steep for Five Below. They were like 15 bucks for these. I didn't even notice. No, I bought them, I think it was maybe 10 bucks. No, they were $15 for these guys. $15 with surprisingly interesting results, because I did try them out for a couple of weeks before I did the video, the unboxing. Let's check out the box a little bit. Check it out. Mute the noise, focus on the sound. Active noise canceling by Jaxx. Jaxx. As you know, Jaxx makes quality stuff for Five Below, and they always disappoint. But this time, not too bad. Not too bad. You'd be surprised. These guys, they're supposed to have noise canceling. That's why I'm like so surprised that I actually do have active noise canceling. 300 milliamps on the case, 35 milliamps per earbud. Nothing surprising there, all the same. I do see that they're touch control headphones. Not bad. But let's open it up. Let's open it up, see what's going on with this thing. All right, here we go. There they are. Active noise canceling headphones. See what's up with these guys. What's in this mouse over here? Not too much to write home about. Got our case. It's a little funky. A little design thing there. Not that bad. Looks okay. Oh, the dreaded micro USB. It's micro. No. It's so white. It doesn't want to focus on it. Not bad. Like all white. I'll let you know why I put that 3M tape there. I'll let you know in a minute. The headphones out. Popping right out. We got our instructions open here. We don't need that. What else did it come with? And there you go. Little short little micro. Can't believe they decided to put a micro USB in here. Micro USB, huh? All right. Let me get a closer look at the headphones. I see them in there. Flip them around so you guys can take a look-sees at them. That's what we're looking at, guys. All right, so they look kind of weird. Look a little weirdies, right? Kind of look a little bit like AirPod Pros. They do have touch controls. Not bad. The tips are weird, but surprisingly not bad and actually kind of comfortable. So here we go. They do have magnetic ends, you can see right there. So they do go in nice and smooth. They should light up, I think. There you go. That's how I know they're charging, because they got a little big old blue light in the bottom. Man, the case feels super cheap, super chintz. When I had these, this is why I put the 3M tape on there. I would shake them and you could hear them move back and forth. You could go like a little baraka I had. But like now that I put the tape in there, can't hear them. And they're in there all the time. And they have like little lights when they start charging. So that actually, and it gave a little bit of weight to it too, though, because it was like the plastic is super thin. I don't know, like super cheap, just like super cheap plastic they used. The headphones got better plastic, I think. That's why the plastic looks a little different. And then they got cop lights. Cop lights. Cop lights. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? There you go. Put them in. But not bad. You could carry this case. I could deal with carrying this case with me. So, let's see, where's the phone? I already got these pre-hooked up. It does have active noise canceling. Everyone wants to know, does it work for me? Well, let's find out. Let's pop them in. Too bad. Don't look too bad, all right? Look kind of cool in my ears. Yeah, can you see them? Kind of low profile, kind of like AirPod Pros. I'm a little noise canceled out. If these had better like silicone tips, which you probably could just find some better silicone tips, they would fit perfectly on both ears for me. There you go, gotta barely put that one in there. Not too bad. See if I got it hooked up. Got it hooked up, I got 100% battery. And these headphones are supposed to last 6 hours a piece, so 6 hours every time. That doesn't specify with that with ANC on or ANC off, so they didn't really specify. But I think you hit the play, you tap once, and to activate noise canceling, you tap twice. And you will hear like a 2 beeps, and the active noise canceling will be disabled. I can hear the fan over here now. I can hear some of my ambient noise now. Still a little bit noise canceled out, but I can hear it. I'll just tap it again, double tap to activate again. Dude, it works. It works. It actually works. I can't believe it works. Wow, let's listen to some music with it. Let's turn the ANC off. Just play some. Let's let the sound testing begin. Let's turn on the active noise canceling now. I can't believe it worked. I can't believe it worked for 15 bucks. Ooh. That one's got bass. One tap to pause. One tap to play on either side, don't matter. Dude, these headphones do not sound bad at all. These sound like bad meaning bad and bad meaning good. These are dope, excellent sound. For $5 below, what in the hell? The skip song gotta go for 1 second. 1. That's how you skip. Not bad. So you can pause it, look. One tap to pause. Pause. Play. Touch controls are on pause. Not bad. They're working good. Now I will say there is some latency with it. I'm noticing some latency in it. There's a delay with the audio, with video. So these aren't probably good to watch anything with. I want to watch a movie with these. But for listening to music, not bad, not bad, not bad at all. Let's do the signal test. Put the yeah, I got some disconnection. There you go. Yeah, they disconnected for a while. So Bluetooth's not very strong. Bluetooth not that strong. I did use them at my office, and I walked around, left my phone at my desk and walked around with one headphone in, and I could probably go to the bathroom and come back, and that's a couple of walls thick. So it went through a couple of walls, and they went maybe like 50 feet. Range is 32. Maybe it was more of a 32 feet distance. Went around, but I think they work pretty good. Not bad. I would probably recommend trying these out if you need like a quick, cheap pair to replace, or you just need something, you saw these, or if you're interested, get these to try them out just for funsies. Not a whole lot of money. So I will say $15, a little steep for something like this at Five Below. I would have said like $10. You know, the case is good. You got magnetic, but this is not even magnetic. This is just like clips in, which is kind of cheap to me. They made them look like AirPod Pro, which is not bad. You know, I kind of like that. This one go here. This one goes here. This one goes here. That one goes in there. That one goes in there. Charging up. Is that double-sided tape? Nah, all I wish is to make this a perfect product for $15. They should have just made this USB-C. If they would have made that USB-C, it would have been worth it. If they would have made the lid magnetic, that would have been worth the $15. But hey, if it's your first time checking out D and me in one of these videos and one of these unboxing videos on this channel, make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to D and me and Kidult TV. Get you notified. Hit that bell whenever we post a new video here. But for D and me and Kidult TV, we'll see you guys all on the next unboxing video. What it do, guys?